Hi, my name is Arya. Today I'm going to tell you some things that are in the farm, fruits and vegetables. And I'm going to tell you how their leaves and their trees look like. First, let's start with chilies. But chilies are different kind of colors. One chili, this one is red, and the other can be green. So there are different kind of chilies. And this is how the plant and this is how the leaves look like. Next, I'm going to show you some tomatoes and how they look like. See? Look at this tomato. It's green. And this is its tree. Now I'm going to show you some brinjals in our farm. This is a brinjal. And brinjals are purple. And these are brinjals, plants and trees.
Hello.
Next, I'm going to show you some onions. This is our onion farm, and let's pick one onion. This is an onion root, and this is an onion. Then grow some fruits in our farm, and this is our guava farm. And let's pick one guava. Good. Yeah. See, this is a guava. Next, this is our grape farm. Can you see the tiny grapes? Next up, I'm going to show you our custard apple farm. So this is a big custard apple. And tiny custard apples looks like these. Isn't it like a baby? Now let's go to the next one. Next, I'm going to show you our peanuts. This is our peanut farm. And let's pick a peanut. Yeah. These are our peanuts. And this is how the roots look like. Next up, this is a tur dal. And it looks like this. And this is where we grow tur dal. And this is how it looks like. And this is how the seeds or things that we eat looking like inside. See?
Start.
You want to see some corn? If you want to, then let's go. Next and final, this is our gourd farm. And this is how a corn looks like. And do you want to pick one corn? If you do, let's pick one. My
Neil,
video.
start.
If you like my video about the farm, then please do like and subscribe. Bye.